Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for coming. Um, I have to start today with Rajamouli Garu. Um, I cannot express properly what it means to me, sir, that you said these words about me and about Brahmastra, um, and that your name is going to present the South languages of the film. It means too much to me. Um, your name, according to me, is the number one name in cinema in our country, and that um, that name, it has so much weight, but it is to build that name, it is all your passion for cinema, all your hard work that has built that name. And the fact that that name is now on top of Brahmastra, it is truly a blessing for our journey and for the film. Thank you, sir, so much. It means the world to me that you've come on board on Brahmastra. Really.
I want you to talk about Brahmastra, not about me.
Okay.
Talk about Brahmastra.
Yes. Okay. So I'm sorry, I'll speak in English. I wish I could speak in Telugu, but I'll do my best. I hope everybody can understand me. We have been making Brahmastra, me and my team, for many years. It is a film that we are showing you a very small bit of today, but we have put everything we had into this project to create for our audiences all over the country a truly new, never seen before, mind-blowing cinema experience. I don't want to say too much about what the film is about because I feel you will discover it through time, and I'll bore you if I start to say too much right now. What I do want to say is that when this project came together and as I was growing, trying to make this film, one of the things I started learning about, which unfortunately I did not know about my entire life, was really this part of our country, the Telugu-speaking world, the South-speaking languages, and what I have come to learn about the passion of cinema that exists in this part of the world, I think means we have to aspire for it all over our country. It is just something else. There is a magic in how people here feel about movies. And I really wanted for Brahmastra to be a part of that magic and invite audiences everywhere, language not being a barrier, to come in and see this work that we've done and give us a chance with this film. That's what today is about. Rajamouli sir, thank you. Your name is on the film. Hopefully it will, allow us to start inviting people into our experience of Brahmastra. I'll take 2 minutes because we have an order in which we are all inviting people. But our journey in this part of the world also began with Nagsa, Mr. Nagarjuna Akkineni, who was the first big support that happened for Brahmastra here. Again, I can't say enough. The generosity with which you came onto our film, sir, is something else. You are more than anybody on the film, more than Ranbir and Alia, the favorite cast member of everybody on Brahmastra. So the feeling every time I have come to Hyderabad has been very, very welcoming. And I hope that that spirit, that magic continues for us as we put Brahmastra out there. All this support that I've gained here, Rajamouli sir, even with you, there is certain pillars and certain mentors that have supported us from the foundation of my filmmaking career. And I want to talk a little bit about that. My mentor, right from the beginning of my filmmaking journey, the first pillar on Brahmastra, who we've not really introduced to you all so far, Karan Johar, who's here with us, who was our first, without Karan's association with Rajamouli sir, also it helped to build a bridge for me to come here with Brahmastra. So let me not stop fumbling and invite Karan to come up here and speak about all of us and Brahmastra and this relationship. Thank you.